Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix iPhone touchscreen lagging problem after updating to iOS 14 or 14.1. When your phone starts lagging, it could be an indication of a degrading performance. This is normal for the devices that have been used for years, but even new devices could also bump into touchscreen lagging issue. Tackled in this video is a similar issue on the iPhone touchscreen that suddenly lagging or if the touchscreen response are delayed after updating to iOS 14. Troubleshooting iPhone touchscreen lagging problem in iOS 14. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start the solutions. First solution, end all background app. For that, double tap on home button, swipe up to end all background apps. Second solution, reboot your iPhone that lagging. For that, simply launch settings, tap general, tap shutdown, drag the slider to power off, wait for a minute and turn on your iPhone. Third solution, update all apps with pending updates. For that, connect to Wi-Fi, tap and hold App Store, tap on update button and update your apps. Fourth solution, free up memory space. For that, launch settings, tap general, tap iPhone storage and free up your iPhone and make some space. Fifth solution, reset all settings. To reset all settings on iPhone, tap settings, tap general, tap reset all settings, put your iPhone passcode, tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. Solution number 6, force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone, press home button and the power button at the same time until we see the Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. If you're still facing the same issue, then we go for final solution, factory reset your iPhone. Before this step, make sure that you have a backup of your iPhone. To factory reset, we have to go to settings, tap general, tap reset, tap erase all content and setting, tap erase now. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.